How to swap cryptocurrencies fast using Changelly. Welcome to the Coin Rocket YouTube channel, where we are now boarding for one-way trips to the moon. So if you'd like to join us, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and I'll see you there. So here's an interesting website, Changelly. Basically they allow you to swap different cryptocurrencies that you usually can't trade for one another. So for example, they have all these different currencies that you could swap for each other. Instead of having to pay for everything with Bitcoin or Ethereum or US dollars, you can, for example, trade Litecoin or Ripple for Lisk, or Ethereum for Bitcoin Gold, or whatever. So basically all you have to do is sign up. There will be a link in the description of this video. Go ahead and click that link, create an account, and then I'd recommend that you enable two-factor authentication, just because it's a good security measure to take. And once you've done that, you can choose whichever currency you want to exchange, which currency you have. So let's say you have some Ripple and you want to trade it for some Lisk. Well, then you would enter in how much Ripple you have and how much you want to sell, then hit exchange, and then they'll tell you how much you're going to get. You hit next, and then you're going to enter the address. Basically that you have to, they won't let you hold anything on this website, so they don't have like a wallet or anything that you can use on this website. So you have to have your own wallet already set up. So this is a good way to also get some coins onto like your external wallets. So that's it. That's really all you have to do. It's that simple. You can swap all these different currencies. Sometimes they won't allow you, like if they're down or whatever, but most of the time you can swap any of these coins for any other ones, like Verge for Potcoin, for example. They have so many different combinations. It's an interesting website. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video if you want, and I'll see you next time.